Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can run simulation in Fritzing. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the edit button, and then you want to click on preferences, and inside this page you want to scroll down with the next category to look at the beta features. You have to make sure that the simulation is enabled. So inside this page there will be the simulation option. Just make sure that this specific option is disabled. And basically right after finishing up with your project, the next thing that you want to do is to just click on this simulate button below your screen. And basically from there, it will now simulate our project that we have created. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.